came in from Zippo today. Just wanted to share in what I got. First is a cheap little Zippo ashtray. It was only $3 or something like that. So when I order, I tend to do stupid stuff like that, but it's pretty big. So perfect, cool. Alright, let's see what we got next. Next is the Zippo fuel canister. You can bring this on the go with you to fill up your Zippo, and to probably do a review on this sometime later. So let's see what else I can show you. Oh, this one's awesome. This is a Zippo portable ashtray, which I'll also be doing a review on it. Comes in handy for work and stuff, so cool. Every time you go order from Zippo, I suggest getting some wicks and some flints. They're only 70 cents when you order online with Zippo, but the shipping is $8, so I'd only order it if you have a big order. I haven't opened these yet, so got two brand new lighters. And, let's see which one this is. Oh, this is the World War II throwback. Pretty crinkle finish. Got the throwback look, like it. Hasn't been opened yet. Cool. Let's see. Now this one should be Zippo Slim. These are pretty cool. It's the first one I've owned, but I've seen them. Friends had them. It hasn't been open yet, so I'm going to go ahead and open these, and I'll do another video doing reviews and tips and stuff on new products I just got in. Thank you. Bye.